Hello everyone, we'll be tying half of the hairs like this on the top. So take the hairs like this and tie it like this on the top. Now roll them together like this. Now after rolling it, we'll be folding it as shown in the video. So tie it like this and fix it with the rubber band. Now after tying it, we will take another section of the hairs and again tie it on the back like this. Tie it and then rotate it. Now after that, put the hair clip over the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs like this. So take all the hairs together from the sides and then make a high ponytail like this. Now after making a high ponytail, fix the hairs again from the between like this after tying it. Now rotate it as shown in the video. Now pull out the hairs from the sides little bit like this and fix the hairs in the half as shown here. Now roll rest of the hairs from the sides, tie it on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail like this. So divide the hairs into two parts like this first and then tie the rest of the hairs on the back. Now take the hairs from the sides and then roll them together like this. Now after rolling it, pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit. Now fix the other section of the hairs in the same manner and then we'll be putting it on the back like this. So roll it and put it on the back as shown here. Fix it properly and then make a high ponytail. Now roll rest of the hairs inside the hairs like this and fold it and then cover it from the top. Fold rest of the hairs like this and then put a hairband or the hair rubber band and the hair clips over it like this. Spread it carefully as shown in the video. Stretch it like this. Pull out the hairs from the top as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and make a high ponytail like this. So first, we'll be taking half section of the hairs and then rotate it as shown in the video. Now after rotating it, we'll be pulling the hairs back a little bit and then fix it in the half section by folding it upward. Fix it like this as shown in the video. Now fix it and stretch it a little bit like this from both the sides. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail like this on the back. So take half section of the hairs from both the sides and then take all the hairs together and make a high ponytail like this. Now rotate the hairs inside the hairs like this. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Cover it from the top and then put a rubber band or the hair clip or the hairband over it like this to make a high ponytail or high bun like this. Now after putting the rubber band, fix it tightly, stretch the hairs and then take rest of the baby hairs from the back side and then you can put a hair clip over it and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the hairs like this. So take rest of the hairs and make a high ponytail like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts and tie it on the under section of the sides like this. So divide it and put it like this and fold it. Now fix the hairs carefully. Now after that, tie the rubber band like this. Now fix the hairs properly as shown in the video. Now at the end, we will be tying the hairs like this. Fix it properly. Roll the hairs upward like this and then fold it. Fix the hairs like this and tie it with the rubber band and then put the baby hairs with the hair clip and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.